She's so stubborn. Get over there. And it's not, it's just that she's in the way, and she's also, you know, the camera's there, and she just passes right in front of the camera. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna have to move the kickstand, part of it, scoot it over. Okay, I don't like this right here. That's the only thing I don't like about this. The kickstand hits this bracket here. That's the build of the Harbor Freight Dolly. I don't really need these right here. The only thing I don't like about this Dolly is that where I put the kickstand down, it actually hits the lip of the Dolly. You know, it seems like the kickstand is not actually all the way out, but it is. The capacity is 1,250 pounds. I'm gonna test it out, see how it comes out, how I like it. And if I don't like it, well, then I just take it back. The build was not too complicated. The bars under there that hold it together, it's really not too bad of a build.